I'm Oliver McKenna here in Agri, County Tyrone. We have just a small family suckler farm. We rented land if we wanted to carry any more sucklers. Just very difficult to get any land. So we got an opportunity to rear calves on the blade farming, a calf rearing enterprise owned by ABP. I looked at a couple of different calf feeders when I was planning on putting this all together. I kept coming back to JFC. I like the look of her. Everything's quite robust and easily cleaned. She looked fairly simple to use, and that has been my experience, is quite simple to use. Normally when I come in, first thing I check the screen, see who hasn't fed, top up the powder, and then look about the calves that haven't fed. It is very important that you're not messing about, and you just know calves that haven't fed. If the calves getting sick, I think the appetite's the first thing that goes, so it just keeps you in front of the health all the time. In fairness, the calves are someone the younger ones can work with, and they like checking the machine, and even the wee 4-year-old, you can't keep them away from the machine. What calves have fed and who needs fed and things like that there, and it helps to get them involved. I have the app on the phone, so I can check the calves on the phone when I'm taking my breakfast. Normally open up that app and see who's fed and who's not, and sort of get prepared. Then when you're finished up, we normally check it before we go to bed at night, and maybe if you're away for a day, you've still that bit of contact that you know what's going on and are the calves feeding or not. Backup service has been very good now, any wee issue at all. Normally, simple things we just get it sorted out over the phone, but it's totally important that no matter what time of the day or night, if that machine breaks down, somebody will be there. It has to be 24/7 availability, and you really need that kind of backup. Especially I had no experience of a calf feeder. The one thing I wanted going into this is to be sure that I had a calf feeder and I wasn't going to have to worry about that machine letting me down. It's great reassurance to know you can rely on that machine, and you can also rely on the backup behind that machine. It just gives you that bit of extra time to get all the jobs done, and maybe a bit of family time or whatever. It just frees you up that bit, and you know that machine's feeding away.